popcorn kernels plus microwave equals the box of a popcorn.
Let's hope this does not break my microwave.
Yeah. This is my BFF Lizzie. She's doing with me and everything. And this is my second YouTube video. Like, subscribe, whatever, comment, don't care. Just watch the box of a popcorn. You'll be going on for 2 minutes.
Yeah, so I gotta press the add 30-second button.
Okay, now back on the kernels. Okay, we see. As you can tell, like pretty soon, the kernels will start to expand and they'll just pop.
I got popcorn stuck in my retainer.
Nice.
The attack of the killer popcorns.
Was that one?
One of them popped.
Okay, I only got one down. Sorry. No, focus on the popcorn kernels, camera. Yeah. See, you see another one? Okay, just watch them. One minute and 30 or 40 seconds into the microwave thing. 2 popcorns already popped, and now
3.
there's 3. Look at the ones that are like expanded.
Is that not cool or what?
Guys, this is kind of both of a popcorn right here.
Look at that one, it's wiggling. That one didn't even pop. It just,
I know, right?
Look at them, they're not even popping, they're just
sitting there.
they're like blooming.
I know, right? 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, boy, into it. And a lot of popcorn has popped.
Now is where it's all gonna start going.
It is.
Yeah.
Watch all of that. So like you're burning the popcorn.
Look at that one. That black one straight.
Yeah.
That one's gonna pop in a second. There it is.
It's just like not cool. And that instead of popcorn kernels that would pop. Let's look at it.
This is the death of popcorn.
That's the popcorn, so eating it.
Oh, that's hot. I just scorched my tongue.
Look at all that popcorn that just popped inside the microwave.
Yeah, some of them ended up burned.
Burnt. Thank you for watching. Say bye, Liz.
Bye.
Bye.